Hello. My name is Harvey. And I'm your virtual teacher. And today, I'm going to be educating you on credit repair. According to myfico.com, scores are calculated using many different pieces of credit data in your credit report. This data is grouped into 5 categories. Payment history, 35%. Amounts owed, 30%. Length of credit history, 15%. New credit, 10%. And credit mix, 10%. The importance of having a UDS membership is if you have bad credit, we can help for as little as $40 a month. Things to know. 1. We cannot put a time frame on how long it will take to fix your credit when everybody's credit situation is different. 2. We build a credit portal for all of our customers to monitor what our credit specialists are doing. 3. This service is only offered at VIP Supreme level.